Hey sis, happy Saturday. I don't know where you are or what you're doing today, but I just needed you to know that good things are going to happen to you and through you. Listen, today I found myself a little frustrated with my social media, right? Because I have posted a video on TikTok and they put it under review for a couple of hours, meaning it wasn't sent out the time that it was supposed to. And so I just felt that frustration building, and in a twinkle of a moment, I could feel God pause everything. He reminded me ever so quickly that He didn't call me to a platform or to an algorithm. And when I start to put my focus on those things, I lose the focus that He has set for me. Now, Matthew 6:33 says, "Seek ye first the kingdom of God, and all His righteousness shall be added unto you." That should have been my focus, right? Yes, it's good to show up for your audience in whatever way you feel like you've been called to, but what God has for you and wants to do through you is so much bigger than any platform. And I had to constantly remind myself that about that too. I've been speaking into my atmosphere the things that help me stay focused on the work I'm called to do. Like, I create meaningful, impactful resources that empower Christian women to uncover and fulfill their God-given purpose. Or I'm a successful entrepreneur who positively impacts the lives of Christian women worldwide. That's my focus, not an algorithm. So take a moment today to consider what you need to speak into your life and over your life and your business. This has been another episode of 1 Minute on Purpose.